Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing how I got an A star in O-level Islamiat with a preparation of just 1 month. So you've probably heard it's extremely hard to get an A star in Islamiat, but my honest opinion, Islamiat is literally the easiest subject of O-levels to get an A star in. Yes. Now wait before you hurl questions right at me. Let me explain myself. So I claim this simply because of the great threshold for an A star in Islamiat. You can literally get an A star within the mark range of 60 to 70 out of 100 in Islamiat. Yes, it isn't as hard as everyone claims it to be. Let's get started with the 1 month strategy that would guarantee you an A or at least an A star. Let's get started with the 1 month strategy that would guarantee you an A star in O-level Islamiat. The most crucial thing to get started is for the paper pattern to be on your fingertips. So let's get started with the paper pattern. P1 consists of 5 questions. Question 1 and question 2, and you have to answer question 1, question 2 and 2 others. Question 1 and 2 are always compulsory, and question 1 is about the major themes of the Quran, the Quranic passages. You're given 3 precious passages, of which you have to answer 2. And then the second question is about the history and importance of the Quran, which consists of 14 marks, 10 marker part A, and then a 4 marker part B to the second question. Then the third question is usually about the life and the importance of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. 1 or 2 questions are set each year, both consisting of 14 marks, and a part A 10 marker and a part B 4 marker. The first, Islamic community. This is the 4th topic that you'll be assessed in P1, and 1 or 2 questions are set, usually in more than one part, requiring excellent answers. So the total for P1 is 50 marks. Then P2 also consists of 5 questions, of which you have to answer 4. Question 1 and question 2 are the compulsory ones, and then you're given a choice to answer 2 from the remaining 3. The first question is about the major teachings in the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ. You're given 4 passages, and you have to choose 2 and answer them. The history and importance of hadith is the second question. It's a compulsory one, a 14 marker, a 10 marker part A, and then a 4 marker part B. The third and the fourth question are about the rightly guided caliphs, and then the articles of faith and pillars of Islam respectively. Both are of 14 marks, and usually 1 or 2 questions are set each year for each topic. Now once you've been accustomed to the paper pattern, it's better that you start preparing. Start with the compulsory questions of both P1 and P2 in alternative days. Once done, start with the non-compulsory question topics and keep revising the compulsory ones. Dedicate 2 weeks of just memorizing content. It's important to know that the examiner really loves to see the Quranic verses and the ahadith as references in your 10 markers. So make sure you make a list of the ahadith and Quranic verses from each topic and spend some time to remember at least 2 from each topic. For example, 2 for Battle of Badr, 2 for the first day of Revelation, for example, the first 5 ayahs of the Surah Al-Alaq, then 2 for the event of Miraj, 2 for Ijma, 2 for Qiyas, and so on for every topic. You do this and I can guarantee you that the A star is going to be home. Now you've memorized the entire syllabus and also plenty of references. It's time to practice, as always. Begin directly with topical questions for a whole week. Use the topicals as extra training for the syllabus you have been memorizing for the past 2 weeks, and revise the topic of questions you faced difficulty in answering. Be strategic. Use your time efficiently and try to get more done in less time. Remember to use marking scheme as a resource and memorize important points from it as frequently as possible. The last week's here. It's the best time to be starting with yearly past papers. Aim to complete at least the past papers from 2023 to 2019, all variants, and you'll be good to go. Remember to start answering yearly past papers in descending order. That is from 2023, then 2022, then 2021, then 2020, and then 2019, and so on, if you wish to continue further. And trust me on this, I didn't even practice a year worth of past papers properly for Islamiat. If you just memorize everything properly and systematically, in your head, you'll be good to go. Instead of writing answers down, the strategy I used was I used to go through the topical questions, and each topical question that I went through, I just read the question and started answering the question directly in my head. Didn't use any paper or pencil for that. I just started, repeating words inside my head. You know the inside voice, right? I use it for my advantage, literally. So this way, the information in my head became systematically arranged as topics. Like for example, if I see a question, I know what the first four paragraphs of this questions are gonna be. I know which Quranic references and hadiths I need to put in to this question, and where do I need to put them. So this is very efficient because I completed answering around 4 to 5 10 markers within 15 minutes. People usually end up doing one question while writing within 15 minutes. I literally completed 4 of them. So you're getting 4 times the productivity as you would when you're writing. So you can use this strategy when you're short on time. This strategy should be only used in case you are already a fast writer and don't need to work on your writing speed, because I was personally a very fast writer. Writing this that did not trouble me. I used to write like a lot of words within a minute, so it was easy for me to use this strategy that I've labeled as the golden strategy. If you want to see a video about how to answer each type of question in O-levels Islamiat, leave a comment down below. Best of luck for your exam. Feel free to ask me any question or any query that you have in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe for more. Till then, Allah Hafiz.